just getting set up to cut the ring out of 10mm plate steel for the jet mower exhaust flange. That's just a test run. That'll take the cut and I'll slow that down. Outside part of the flange has been cut. Now I'm going to measure up and do a inner diameter and chuck it in the lathe, machine it all up to the correct size. Just an update video on the Husqvarna JFS 100 powered mower. Just installed the two 5-inch exhaust ducts. Bit of a mission, but it's another bit done on it, and just about to give it its first fire up with the exhaust.